crag hopping above Central, looking over Hong Kong's iconic skyscrapers. We overcome our fears and conquer a multi-pitch climb here on Drone and Fern. Welcome to the episode 4 of the rock climbing series. So if you haven't watched the previous episode, I suggest you go back and check them out because we're making progress slowly. And what are we going to do today, Ben?
Today we will do the multi-pitch on the Central Crag. We'll start here to the top of the peak.
Ooh.
So we'll start today.
Cool. We also have Prashant with us.
Hey guys, sunny
And also
day.
DJ.
George is looking so uncomfortable. I'm enjoying every moment of this.
So we're gonna go now, so let's go!
Let's go.
Once the summer rains subside and the winter waters get too cold to go steer, Hong Kong's granites and volcanic outcrops come into their own. The steep cliffs that surround the city offer some excellent climbing routes with amazing mountain, island and city views. In this series, we set out to discover some of the best climbs in Hong Kong while learning new skills along the way. In this 4th episode, we're challenging ourselves with a multi-pitch climb. This means we're climbing 3 crags consecutively and the routes will be longer and harder. Starting from Old Peak Road, we follow the footpath up to the hill. It's a relaxing walk in the woods until we reach the small crag.
Look at this Spider-Man.
Peter Parker! I quickly climb up the crag, but seems like DJ is struggling a bit. I'm already recording. I'm now counting the time.
I don't have my climbing.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Someone is grabbing the rope.
Yeah, I put my climbing shoes on.
Okay, climb on.
So here you can really see the difference with the shoes. First time I tried to get up there, I had no climbing shoes on. I was slipping all the time. And I put them on, straight up.
After a short steep climb, we arrive at Soho East Crag, a crag situated right above the heart of Hong Kong's Central District with the iconic skyscrapers behind it. Ben does the lead climb and sets up the road for us. Now it's our turn. After weeks of training, I'm getting the hang of it and climb up the first pitch quickly. So I just get up from down below there and it just took me like 10 minutes, maybe less. I think I'm getting better and better. What do you think, Ben?
I think so. Better than
Yeah.
before. Confident. Yeah.
And next challenge is this one. Look at that. We first take a break while hanging off the cliff.
So in England, when we come to a place with a beautiful view like this, we must have a cup of tea. This is part of our culture. Cheers.
And now we're ready for the second climb. Let's go.
Good luck, George.
Don't call me George, call me Luke. Because I'm skywalking.
Skywalking.
Hold on to that thought, George, because the next climb is going to destroy you.
You cannot say you can't. You must do.
I don't want to do anymore.
So George is really struggling at the moment. He's getting a haul up from Ben, as you can see, right up there at the top. But it's unclear whether he's going to make it or not.
It's a bit of struggle for me to get up there. Let's see how DJ does. What makes the climb so tough is the overhanging nose of the crag. Although there are some promising slabs that can be used as footholds, the difficulty steepens the higher you climb.
So George, tell me what it's like being up here.
Doesn't feel good at all. My fingers are shaking, my legs are shaking, my arms are shaking, all my muscles are shaking. I just feel very uncomfortable here.
But what a view though.
Huh?
Nice view.
I don't even want to look at. I don't even want to look down. After 2 tough climbs, we reached the top of Soho East Crag. We're attached the coast lead together onto the anchor and getting ready for the abseil. Let's go.
Me and George are tied in a very close position right now.
It's not very comfortable getting this coast with DJ.
Getting to know your DP fellow presenter in a.
We abseil back down and scramble up to Lookout Road through the bushes.
Well done, George.
Hello!
You made it. Solid ground, George. Solid ground.
Yeah, I'm finally back to the civilization. Oh, can you give me a hand? So that's the end of this episode. You can see I'm still taking a deep breath. It was a really tough day for me. How about for you guys?
It was a good day. It was good to see DJ doing some lead climbing on the multi-pitch. It was all over a great day, great weather. I'm proud of George can do.
Thank you.
There's the hard one overhand. You can face his fear. Very good.
It means a lot to me. Okay, so if you like our show, don't forget to like our Facebook page and go subscribe to our YouTube channel and wherever you see this video. So for now, my name is George.
I'm Prashant. I'm Ben.
And this is Drone and Fur.
George, how do you feel about your ripped pants?
So I'm not gonna take off the harness, otherwise I will look like a very creepy person.